So 2 videos ago, we took the smart car mudding.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
And as you guys can tell, it is insanely muddy. So Jaden and I tried taking the smart car to the car wash right after we went mudding, and they didn't let us through because there was too much mud on it. So we had to go back and spray it off, and now we're gonna go see if we can go through it again. We are getting like 1,000 people taking pictures of us. It is so funny.
This guy's pointing at us and they're taking pictures.
This car gets more reactions than the Lambo. It's insane.
Everybody wants a picture of this thing.
We better go with the best one. This thing's super dirty. Cool, thanks, man, you too. I did not think we were gonna get into this car wash. That is hilarious. Woo! I'm a little nervous. So the inside is extremely dirty. What do you say, let's roll these windows down and get this thing cleaned up.
Frick my life. Here we go.
Woo!
There's the soap. I'm looking mine up to this.
Whoa, the water's warm. The water felt amazing. I think this will clean off the inside really good, you know?
Is it not working? Is it not working?
Okay. Sounds good.
They're making us roll the windows up.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think it's quite clean enough, so I say we go try a different car wash. There might be a better one out there.
I've seen some wild shit come through here.
Oh, dude, this thing turned some heads for sure.
I can't see why.
Like driving down the road to get here, like every other person's like recording us out their window. It's hilarious.
Freaking 3-lug wheels are wild too. Yeah, we'll get you taken care of.
Oh, thanks, man. He's like, dude, I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll give it a try.
The whole car shifts sideways.
He's just laughing at us. This is hilarious.
Maybe we'll actually get clean this time.
Yeah, seriously, I have a lot more confidence in this one.
They're using pressure washers before. Yeah, look at that. Even more is
yeah,
just
dude,
pouring off the top. Look at our windshield.
Hey, do you want to spray off the inside too?
With y'all in it?
Yeah, look, it's pretty bad. I mean, look, we got mud everywhere.
I got you, bro. How much your head's at though?
Yeah. I mean, it's pretty dirty, so.
Sorry about the dust.
Yeah, it's all good. Appreciate it, bro.
There you go. You should be good now.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
Dude, they're way more chill here than they were the other place.
Rev it a little bit? Oh yeah, dude. Alright, just leave the windows down, dude. Let's let the car wash do its thing. See if we can get this car spotless. Oh, this is way colder than the other car wash.
I'm gonna need a shower after this.
The other car wash had really warm water, and this water is freezing. I'm cranking up the heater.
Try to get us at least somewhat warm.
Yeah, that way we don't die. No whack in the face.
Woo! That was cold.
Crazy.
Oh my gosh. You're gonna hit me like a wet dog.
Oh, it's in my mouth. Spray us off.
Oh, it's gonna spray directly in the car. It's about to get really cold.
We're about to get soaked.
Woo! That's freezing. Woo! Oh, that is so cold. It's in my ear. Woo!
Here comes the dryers, baby.
Dry my hair.
I mean, the dash is way cleaner. The windshield is still very muddy. Yeah, I think we're probably 12% cleaner than we were before. This is...
Oh my gosh, thanks,
forgot
Tyson.
about the windshield wipers.
We got a freaking frog pond in here.
Did they clean it good?
I mean, it's better than the first one, but it still is not clean. Look how much mud is
Oh, it's still caked. You can't even like see the whole windshield. If you guys haven't seen the video of us taking this off-roading, go check it out. It was so wild. Like the car did amazing and there was mud absolutely everywhere.
So here's the thing with that video. This car is not that capable to begin with, but we pushed it to the limit of what it can do. We're flying on like what, 45 through the fields of mud.
Oh yeah.
I think you should destroy the suspension. There was probably, what, 1.5 inches of mud just caked on the side
for
of the car.
sure.
But we pushed this thing about as hard as it can go, and it was a blast.
we got the Surons, and we saw this video where this guy put steel wool in the wheels of his Suron, and he lit it on fire, and it was doing that whole spark effect. So we want to try it out. You're just weaving it through all the spokes?
Yep.
Perfect. Let's give it a try.
Torch it.
It does nothing. I hope the Suron doesn't just burn to the ground. It's working!
Dude, it's all falling off. You're gonna burn holes in that bike. Oh my gosh. Dude, it's almost already all burned off.
Yeah, that was fast.
Yeah, it was. Dude, that is so sick.
I don't know if it's gonna spin or not, but
Oh my.
it's packed in there pretty good now.
Hit it.
Way better. Oh, that's hot. Ah! Ouch, that burns. That was so hot. I think I melted the seat a little bit.
Actually?
Yeah, I could feel it on my pants. I was like, are my pants on fire?
Golly.
Oh.